Hi guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. Uh, I'm Today I'm going to show you how to upload image on social media without losing quality, and I'm going to use this image which I retouched in my previous video. If you want to see how I retouch this image, just check my previous video on how to do retouching professionally. For you to upload on Instagram, the best size is for you to have you crop to 8 by 10. So you crop to 8 by 10. You go to file, export, then export for web legacy. File, export for web legacy. So it's going to show up like this. So look at the size of this image, 13.56. that is the size, the main size of the full resolution. So to export, make sure is on JPEG maximum, then the quality should be on 100. Because this is portrait 8 by 10, then your width should be 2000 and your height should be 2500. So it will automatically determine the amount, the percentage of image you are going to export. So if it's portrait like this, the width will be 2000, whereas the height will automatically changes to 2500. So if it was a landscape image, the width will be 2500, whereas the height will now be 2000. Then for this image we are exporting, we are going to have 52.27%. that is what we are going to upload on our Instagram, on our social media platform, without losing quality. So now what's next to do? You can see this is size 13.56. that's the one for the main full size. Now save. Then you have a folder that you're going to save it. You can rename the image into anything you want, so you can easily access it. So you save, then with this you're good to go. So this is the before and after. You won't be able to see the difference between the full resolution and the one that is exported. So this is the way to have the best quality, to optimize the quality of your image when you are uploading on Instagram. Thank you. Watch out for the next tutorial. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. I'll see you next time. Thank you.